Right. In last class we have discussed the points up to contains method and index of method. I hope you clearly understood. Okay. Now we are understanding searching operations. Right? We are understanding searching operations. So how can we search? How can we search some character or substring inside a current string object? We have understood last class. There are two ways of searching. So the first way is by using. So first way is by using what contains method. Second way by using index of. Which one is the first approach? Index of or contains? Index of is the first way, and contains method is the second approach. What is the second approach? Contains method is second approach. So it is given in which version? Java 1.5. Yesterday I told you 1.4, I guess. So please try to correct it. It's a 1.5 version. Okay, Java JDK 1.5. Java 1. Java. If you want to pronounce version number with Java, you must use Java 5. If you want to pronounce with JDK 1.5, JDK 1.5. But from Java 9 version onwards, both JDK, Java both contain the same word. What is that? Java 9, JDK 9. Remember that. Okay. Now, let us try to understand this point. Okay. I'm giving you one string here. Try to understand. String S27 equal to, what do you write here? String S27 equal to, I'm writing double quotes ABC, double quotes BBC, double quotes CBC. Some string I have written. Okay, you can take any string, not a problem. Next, now I'm writing system.out.println S27 dot S27 dot equals of S27 dot equals of double quotes ABC. I have written. What will you get? S27 dot equals of double quotes ABC. What you will get? Will get answer false. Why? Because equals method comparing S27 all characters with all characters available in the argument. They are not equal. So you will get false. Control F11, false you will get. Okay, we are getting output false. Okay, the next point. If I use compare to, what will get? If I write S27 dot compare to of double quotes ABC, then what you will get now? Compare to method comparing current string object. Okay, comparing this string object with the characters available here and returns difference in the characters ASCII number or difference in the length, right? So then it is a comparing A same, B same, C same. Okay, and then still this current string object contains some more characters. How many more additional there? So totally how many characters? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 characters minus ABC 3 characters. 11 minus 3, you will get the result 8. Okay, 11 minus 3 lengthwise difference you will get. Okay, for example, if you write here contains of ABC, what you will get? Contains of ABC, what you will get? Contains of ABC, what you will get? Contains method meant for comparison or searching. These two methods are meant for comparison, right? Whereas contains method not meant for comparison, searching. So it is searching, contains method searching, double quotes ABC available in S27 pointing object or not. If available, returns true. If not available, return false. Because available, returns true. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to write something like this. Now If I write here BBC, 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 what answer will get? Same. Here you will get false. Here you will get 8. And here you will get, no. Here you will get not 8. What you will get here? 30, sorry, 1 you will, -1 you will get. Here you will get -1. And then here you will get true, right? So false, -1, true. False, -1, true you got. Then what is the difference between equals compared to? I hope you got clarity. If I call index of method, what will get? B is found. Where it found, that number will get, right? So now B will get, where it will found, it will return. So what return? B index number. Now this is a index of, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you will get, okay? 4 you will get, 4 -1, 4. Okay, some people are asking question, so how you are getting a -1 here, sir? Okay, I don't understand. Okay, if you don't understand, go to yesterday video in the youtube.com. Okay, I'm not going to spend the time with you. So you go and watch yesterday video in youtube.com, nareshit.com, youtube.com. How you got -1, how you got 32, you will get. Okay, yesterday video streamed already in YouTube. Na? It is there. If you have any doubts, you can go and watch them, right? So then now I'm going to the next topic. Try to observe now. Wherever you have ABC, wherever you have BBC, contains method, index of method will found and return the index numbers. Okay, they are meant for searching. If found, return true. If not found, return false. But my requirement is different now. Now the story is different. I wanted to verify, is this string S27 starts with ABC or not? Okay, right? Next. Now S27 dot contains of this string ends with ABC or not? I wanted to know. Not contains. In a searching operation, I want to search for BBC. Right. I want to search for BBC. To search for BBC, I have a method called what? Contains. Now my requirement is what? I don't want to just search. I wanted to know whether this string S27 starts with BBC or not, ends with BBC or not. For that, we have the methods called what? Starts with. Okay, we have methods called starts with. Look at that, there are two overloaded methods are there. Starts with, okay, which one? ABC. And then next we have another method, ends with. Okay, we have ends with, only one method is there. Ends with or not. Starts with and ends with. And now let me know. Starts with ABC. Is this S27? S27 object starts with ABC? Yes. Starts with means what? The given argument characters. The given argument characters are uh, available at the beginning of the and from 0 index onwards or not. The given characters available from 0 index or not, it is checking. If yes, it returns true. If not, it returns false. Okay, it returns true, else returns false. Simple point, right? Now tell me, contains returns true, starts with returns true, ends with, right? Tell me, is this string ends with ABC, last characters are ABC? No, then returns false. True, true, false. Is it clear? The difference between starts with and ends with? Okay, let me go to, now tell me, searching for character substring. We have searching for character and substring, retrieving index. Okay, retrieving its index. And now we got these many methods. And this is 11th method, searching for character and substring, retrieving Boolean value, true, false. Then we have to use contains method. Okay, now the next methods are what? 12th method. Okay, the 12th method, finding string starts with, a given character or substring. Okay, what the method name, tell me? Public return type boolean. Method name starts with of string s, and it is a overloaded method, comma int offset, from index or whatever. Okay, two methods are there. The next 13th method, finding string ends with a given character or substring. Then the method is what? Public boolean ends with of string yes. It is only one method. It's not a overloaded method. Okay, so these are the methods we have discussed. Now tell me, totally how many operations I can perform on a string? On a string, we can perform several operations. First one is checking string. Okay, checking operations. Checking. What the checking? Checking operation, nothing but empty or not. What is the length of the string? Okay, checking operations. Second operation, comparing operations. Second operation is comparison operation. Comparison, equal or not, lexicographically bigger or smaller. Checking operation is empty, is blank, right? Let me write shortcut. Let me write all the methods. Is empty, is blank, is empty, is blank, length. All these three operations are comes under checking operation. The next comparison operation. How many comparison operations are there? Equals, 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 ignore case. I'm writing shortcuts, okay? Equals, ignore case, compare to, compare to, sorry, content equals, compare to, ignore case, compare to, ignore case. These five methods comes under comparison operations. Okay, third operation is searching operation. Okay, for searching operation, we have index of, last index of, last index of, I'm writing shortcuts, okay? Last index of, the next word contains, next word starts with, and then ends with. These methods are comes under searching operations. So you have to know which operation you want to perform according to your project. So, and you should remember that particular method and you have to perform that operation. Checking operation, comparison operation, and searching operation. Then following by fourth operation. Now I found it, I searched, particular string is available. Then what I need to do? I want to retrieve. I want to retrieving operations. Okay, tell me. Okay, I found the string is available or the character is available. I want to retrieve them. What you want to retrieve? I want to retrieve either by one character I want to retrieve, or I want to retrieve what? Substring I want to retrieve. So the method is, two methods are there. I want to retrieve character at the given index. Okay, you must tell to what you call to this method, charAt method, please retrieve me the given character, please retrieve me the character from the given index. So I am asking, is that character available or not? Index of method will tell, or index of method, go and check is this character available or not. index of method, go and check is this word available or not. If available, it return that index number to us. Then I want to ask charAt method, charAt method, please go and retrieve that character from the given index. Now substring method is meant for retrieving not one character. It is meant for a retrieving sequence of characters. Are you catching my point? charAt method meant for retrieving one character from the given index. Substring method meant for retrieving the characters from the given index to start to end. And very important point you need to understand here. charAt, a capital letter. Substring, s is not capital letter. Substring, these are not the two words, they are one word. Substring is a one word. Char at, these are the two words. Index of two words. Last index of three words. Equals, ignore case, three words. Every word, every second word, first character is capital letter. But come to substring method, it is a one word. It is, they are not two words, not two words. So that's why second s is not a capital letter. Okay. But sublist method, if you remember in a array list, sublist method is the sublist L capital letter. But substring, S is not capital letter. This is one of the interview question. Okay, identify the methods of the string class. They will give you four options. What are the methods belongs to string class? They will give four options. S capital letter they will give. Okay, don't choose this as a predefined method. S small letter. And I want to retrieve all characters. Observe now, charAt method meant for retrieving one character. Substring method meant for retrieving sequence of character between the given index, start and end index. We have another method to retrieve all characters, that is toString. ToString method. ToString method meant for retrieving all characters. It return the complete string to us, na? All characters it will return. So these are the three methods. Already ToString we discussed. Now these two methods let us try to understand. Now let me go to 14th method. What is the 14th method? Retrieving a character from the given index. Then what is the method? Public return type is a char. Method name is what? charAt of int index. Okay. Now let me try to understand first this charAt method. Now tell me, how can I move from one tab to another tab, one file to another file by using mouse? Without using mouse. Okay. Come on. How can I move from one tab to another tab? Control plus page up and page down. Control plus page up and page down. Not window tab. Okay. Control page. If you want to go down, page down. All these are not considered as a tabs. All these are considered as a tabs. What do you call it? Pages. First page, second page, third page, fourth page. Okay. Control page up, page down. Control F6. Control F6. Activate task. Okay. Let me write here string operations. No. So it's meant for some other thing. Okay. Okay. Fine. Control tab will work in edit plus. Okay. Control tab will work in edit plus. So sometimes I also commit mistake. Control tab I will press as well, because most of the time in basics we will discuss with edit plus. We will work with edit plus. Like edit plus shortcut, if you use a control tab, it will not work. Eclipse will not consider it as tab. It will consider it as page. Okay. Mm, Control shift T. Control shift T. String operation. This is for opening classes. The shortcut for control shift plus T for opening. Not, I mean, if you want to open, okay, if you want to open existing classes, understand existing class. For example, I want to open some predefined class, object class. Then what you write? Control shift what you call it T, then object class. If you want to open the classes, then we have to use control shift T. Okay, this is meant for opening. I don't want to open already open tabs, already open programs are there. I want to move from one program to another program on the opened tabs. I don't want to open, I want to move. Okay, fine. So come to the story now. Now, okay, fine. So I hope you got clarity on these methods. Now I'm moving to the next method. Observe now, I'm writing string S28 equal to double quotes Hari Krishna. My name I'm writing Hari Krishna. Okay, I want to retrieve my characters from my name. Okay, system.out.println, system.out.println, S28 dot, what method I should use? CharAt of, charAt method is a non-void method, na? It is returning character. So I can call it from SOPLN directly, right? So S28 dot charAt of index of what index number I should give. For example, I want to retrieve this. Okay. I'm writing one here. What the character will give? Tell me what the character will be displayed. What the character will be displayed? One index character. What the one index character? H or A. This is one of the very quite oftenly committing mistake. One means people are feeling H is a one character. No, zero, right? So now A will come. A is the output. Okay, next. Now I'm giving here, let's say 11 I'm given. 11 I have given. Which character will come? 11. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A will come. So how many characters are there in my name? I want to know how many characters are there in my name. Then I should use first of all the method what? Length. Right. Control F11. 12 characters are there. Now I'm going to write here 12. What happened? Can I give 12 here? 12th index is there or not there? Not there. Yesterday, index of method, all the people are telling array index out of bounds exception, string index out of bounds exception. Index of method target is what? Available, not available. Okay, it is telling that available or not available. But today charAt method is not telling that available or not available. It must return that character. It can return only if the index is available. If index is not available, how it can return? It cannot return. So it will throw exception. It will throw exception. String index out of bounds exception. String index, not array index, because you are not working with array here. So if Sun Micro system return in throwing exception, array index out of bounds exception, people will get a confusion. Array syntax, I'm not using spade bracket. Then how can you throw array index out of bounds exception? So when you are working with string, index problems are there, then you get string index out of bounds exception, string index out of bounds. Okay, fine. So now what the rule? While you are dealing with charAt method, it implicitly throws string index out of bounds exception if index is less than 0, or if index is greater than or equals to length, greater than or equals to length. Okay, this rule you have to follow. If you don't follow this rule, you will get this exception every time. Index out of bounds exception you will get. Okay, fine. Then come to the point. I am giving here 0. Will you get any exception? I'm giving 0. Will you get any exception? No. Will you get H? Now I'm getting let's say minus 5 I am giving. Will you get exception? Yes. String index out of bounds exception you will get. So I hope all you understand charAt method functionality. charAt method and collection class get method both are same, na? charAt method and collection class get method both are same. Collection class get method will return the return one object from the given index. Remember, it return one object from the given index. If the index number is not available, it will throw index out of bounds exception. Okay, here also same. Now tell me, charAt method can return only one character, but I want to display all characters. Then what you write here? Index for loop you write for int I equal to 0, I less than what do you call S28 dot S28 dot length next I plus plus. If you want to retrieve all characters available in the string, you must obviously read for loop, right? System dot out dot println, system dot out dot println. What do you write here? I want to display each character. So what do you write? S28 dot charAt of index number I. Okay, then all characters are displayed. Control F11, all characters are displayed. HARI space KRISHNA, all characters are displayed. Okay, now this for loop, I am writing something like this. I am writing for loop something like this. Less than or equals to. What happened? If I write I less than or equals to, because in written test exam, their target is what? Getting the error and checking that you understand this error or not, right? Tell me what you'll get now. For int I equal to 0, I less than dot length, if you write, it's okay. Now you're writing I less than or equals to. That means charAt method executed for 0 index, 1 index, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to 11 it's okay. Now the 12th index also passed. I value is what? 12, and length is what? 12. 12 less than or equals to 12. Yes, trying to retrieve 12th index is not available. Then you'll get string index out of bounds exception. One point you must understand here: are you getting string index out of bounds exception immediately now? No. After all 11 characters, all characters are displayed, then you are getting string index out of bounds exception. Okay na? Everyone understand? It's a danger point, okay? Dangerous concept. So please need to concentrate on it, practice once. Same point I told you for get method also. Same point I told you for get method in collection also, right? Remember? Then, now I am writing something like this. Is it allowed? Less than or equals to -1 I have written. Now will you get any exception? I less than or equals to length -1. Will you get any exception now? No. Okay, all characters will be displayed. Up to Hare Krishna displayed. Now I am going to write here for int I equal to 0, I less than or equals to. I am removing less than or equals to. I'm use only less than. Then what happened? Tell me. Will you get all characters or any exception? Will you get all characters or any exception? You will not get all characters. No exception, but all characters also you don't get. Last 11th index will not come. A is not displayed. Up to n only will come. A will not come because now the index value is 11. 11 less than 12 minus 1, 11. No, then it will not execute. Okay, 11th index will not execute. Okay, fine. Can I use for each loop on string? Can I use for each loop on string? Okay, whenever use for loop, okay, for retrieving values, you can use either regular for loop or you can use for each loop. Okay, some people will call it as a legacy for loop. Okay, some people call it as a legacy for loop. Some people call it as a old for loop. I want to call it as a regular for loop. Okay, are you catching my point? This indexed based loop, people are calling it as, okay, indexed for loop, people are calling it as a legacy for loop, or people are calling it as a old for loop, but I want to call it as a regular for loop. This is a regular for loop. Okay, and now people are calling it as a for each loop, or we can call it as a enhanced for loop. Okay, syntax is enhanced. So now people who are calling, you don't call it as a legacy for loop. Okay, I don't want, see, legacy word should not apply wherever you like. Okay, array list is legacy, array list is a new class, and vector you can call legacy because whatever vector is doing everything, array list will do. Okay, array list is given alternative to vector. That's correct. So you can call it as a legacy, but you cannot call this is a legacy. For each loop is not the alternative to indexed for loop. So people misunderstand it. You cannot use everywhere for each loop. Wherever regular for loop is allowed, everywhere you cannot use for each loop. It has limitation. It will work only with array and collections. Array and collections and subclasses of iterable. The object must be subtype of iterable. String is not subtype of iterable, right? String class is not subclass of iterable. String is not subclass of iterable interface. So you cannot use string as a argument to for each loop. For okay, you cannot write the code like this. Char ch double colon s28. Now compiler throw error. Look at there, S28, compiler throwing error saying that, Are Babu, S28 you cannot use here. It is not a target type. Cannot iterate over, can only iterate over array or an instance of java.lang.iterable. Look at the error message. Can only iterate over an array or an instance of java.lang.iterable. Okay, na Buji? So string is not subtype of iterable. Then sir, how can we iterate over collection, sir? Collection is not also not array na. Array collection is subtype of iterable na. Collection is subtype of iterable na. That's why it is allowed to apply on collection, but not apply on string. So some people may be in confusion. Maybe this question asked in the interview. Okay, then they will ask system dot out dot println ch, and you people are in a flow. Okay, you people are in the flow will say that yes, characters are displayed. What is that? AHARI space KRISHNA will come. Not about it leads to compile time error. Be careful. Practice, practice. If you practice, then you will understand it. What the meaning of Bujji? Okay, some people are feeling that I am using the word Bujji, Kanna, Nana. That's part of Java language. Are Bujji means a small Rababu. No, it's a pet. It's a cute name. In childhood, your mother call you what? Chotu. Okay, your parents are calling na, Are Chotu, Nana, Bujji, right? Babu, Chotu, Babu. Okay. In our Telugu we call Bujji Nana. Okay. Imra Babu. Okay, fine. Babu Sona. Okay. Munna. Okay. Those are in Telugu called Bujji. Okay, fine. Come to the point now. Come to the story now. I hope you got clarity on charAt method. charAt method is used for retrieving one character from the given index. The rule, the index number must be, the rule, index number must be greater than or equals to 0 and less than, strictly less than length. Strictly less than length. Okay, this is the rule. If you violate this rule, it throw error. Next, I want to retrieve all characters, then use a for loop. So the for loop condition must be less than length or less than or equals to length minus 1. Okay, next, you cannot use enhanced for loop on string because string is not iterable type. It's a normal type. Okay, that's all about charAt method completed. Any questions from charAt method? Shall I go to the next point? Now, I wanted to retrieve Krish. From my name, I want to retrieve Krish. Okay, so if you take charAt method, it can retrieve only one character, but I want to retrieve Krish. So to retrieve Krish, I need to use toString method. toString return all characters. Na? I want some of the characters. So what method I should use? Substring. Okay, observe. Yes, out. Yes, 28 dot. What method I should call? Substring. Now look at there. There are. Look at there are three methods are there. Substring of int begin index, substring of int begin index comma int end index, and subsequence of int begin index comma int end index. Okay, but its return type is not string. Its return type is what? Char sequence. What is this string? This string is in which class this method is available. All these three methods are available in string class. then this string is what? Return type. Okay. Substring method return string. Substring method also return string, but subsequence method returning what? Char sequence. Okay. If you want returning value as subsequence, then I mean a char sequence type, then you have to use subsequence method. No, I want as a string type, then use substring method. Okay. What the difference between overloaded methods? I'll show you. First method, substring method. Now I'm giving index number Krish I want. So begin index from where you want substring 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm giving here begin index is 5. Then now control F11. Look at there what you're getting now. Complete string I'm getting from 5th index onwards till the end. Krishna. Okay, now from the given index till the end you are getting. Hey, no, I don't want it till the end. I want to define my end also. I want to define end character also. Then in that case, I should use second substring method. Substring of start comma end. Begin comma end, both you need to give. Start is 5. Start is 5. End is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Krish, I want up to Krish 9. Okay, end index is what? 9 I should give. Okay, na? Tell me, substring method is used for retrieving the substring from the given string. Okay, for retrieving substring from the given string, you have two options. Either you have to specify only begin index or begin index comma end index. What you are expecting output here, Krishna? Will get output Krishna. Krish will get, right? First Krishna. Second one, what you will get? Krish you will get. Shock laga? Shock laga? OH missed. Okay. What did you understand here? What did you understand here? H missing. What do you understand here? The end index is exclusive. Okay, begin index is inclusive. End index is exclusive. Remember, in Java, every end index is exclusive. You take any method, in all methods, end index is exclusive. 99% of 99.99% of methods end index is exclusive. Maybe one method end index is inclusive. Remember it. Okay. All right. Now, if you want H also, you must give end index character plus 1. That is 10. Now you'll get Krishna. H is coming. Okay. Is it clear? Substring method functionality, understand? Okay, so now let me go to substring method. What the prototype of substring method? 15th method, retrieving substring from the current string. For that we have two methods. Public return type is a string, capital letter, small letter, substring of int begin index, substring of int begin index comma int end index. Also we have another method, return type is char sequence, subsequence, yes, capital letter, subsequence of int begin index comma int end index. And here you need to understand 2 points. Number one, string index out of bounds exception. Number two, end index is exclusive. Okay, these are the 2 points you need to understand. Okay, a small test case to you. Let us see how many people can answer correctly. I am giving -5 to 10. Will it work? I am asking to retrieve characters from -5 to 10. Will it work or not? No, it will throw exception. String index out of bounds exception -5. Okay. The next, I am giving minus 10. Okay, so retrieve the characters from 5 to minus 10. Oh, no, not possible. It will throw exception, string index out of bounds exception. Next, I am giving characters 5 comma 12. 5 comma 12. Any error or no error? 5 comma 12 are given. Will you get string index out of bounds exception? No, because end index minus 1 na, 12 minus 1. 12, what happened to it? 12 minus 1, right? 12 minus 1, 11. 11, Krishna will come. No problem. Okay, if I give 13, what happened now? We will get exception. Clear? Very dangerous point. Very dangerous point. 5 comma 5. Start index and end index both are equal. Then what will you get? Will you get any exception? Will you get any exception? No. Okay. What will you get? Empty string you will get. What will you get? Empty string. Now look at there. Nothing is displayed after Krishna. Okay. I wanted to show that empty string is there. How can I show empty string? Display this string by using print. Next line you print by using some text your own you write. Double quotes Hari. Hi something. Then look at there. Hi display. After Krishna, hi displaying directly. There is a empty string. Okay. Now if you wanted to get it's a empty string returning instead of displaying like that, you can also use copy paste dot equals of double quotes. Okay, then what you will get? You will get a true. Okay, you are getting true. Why you are getting true? Because it is empty string. Or if you want, you can also check like this: is empty. In place of equals also you can write is empty. Now it's a empty string. It returns what? True. Okay, it returns true. Okay, even you can also use is blank method also. Why I didn't use is blank method? Because you may feel that it is a space string. Na? For a space string also blank will return true, right? Okay, so maybe it returns space, you may feel. Space also return blank true, but now it is empty, it returns true. That's it. Okay, I hope you understand substring method of 5 comma 5. If start index, end index is the same, then returns empty string. Why? Now tell me now. This is string object. Fifth index character is K. Fifth index character is what? K. Now fifth index is inclusive added. Next end index, fifth index is what? Exclusive. Exclusive means what? Remove. Okay, inclusive included, exclusive excluded. Finally it become what? Empty string. Empty string returned to our program. So these are the points related to substring. Everyone understand, I hope? Okay, all the people, can you please write one small program? All the people, can you write one small program? A small program, okay? So you learn so many points, okay, for small refreshment. For small refreshment, I'll give a small program. You please try to work out. Okay, look at here. Develop a project to read a string from the keyboard. Okay, develop a project to read a string from the keyboard. Develop a project. Project means simple program only. Like don't think too much. Okay, to read a string from the keyboard. Find whether this string has the substring or a substring. Find as a substring. Hari is available or not. If available, display the characters Hari in the case available in this passed string. For example, input is Java Hari. Output is you must display as what? Hari is available, but not small Hari is available. Next, if I give input as HARI, then you must display as HARI is available, but not small HARI available. Is it clear, question? Is this question clear? Now try to develop, try to write program. I'll wait. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. Try to develop. So I hope you completed how to write code. Very simple. So first you need to read string from the keyboard. Now what do you write? String some s1 equal to string s1 equal to scn dot next line s out double quotes enter string. Okay, enter string. Now I read the string from the keyboard, then following by I wanted to find is this string contain Hari or not. If condition of finding means if s1 dot which method I should use contains of double quotes. What I should write here? Contains of what should I write? Contains method check the characters. Contains method check the characters with case. If I write small HARI, then the entered string should contain Hari only in small letters. If I write a capital HARI, it should be available in a capital HARI. First, let me show you that. S open in double quotes, Hari is available. Else Hari is not available. Then control F11. Now I'm entering Java Hari Krishna. Hari is not available. Even though Hari is available, I'm getting message Hari is not available because I am comparing with what? Capital H. Okay, I'm writing small h. Then now I'm entering Java Hari Krishna. Now Hari is not available. Why? Oh, sorry. Control F11. Java. Now Hari is available. We are getting output. Hari is available. Now I'm entering again Java capital HARI Krishna. Now it is telling that not available. Even though available, not available. So how to solve this problem? Whenever you are planning to do comparison or searching operations, you must convert the string to lowercase. Dot to lowercase. Dot to lowercase. Okay. Then if you call with dot to lowercase, all existing characters are converted to all lowercase. Okay. Then control F11 will get output. What is that? Java. Any character, any case you give, will get output Hari is available. Okay. Mr. Ashru, equals ignore case method. When you should use equals ignore case method? If you want to compare. Okay. Here we are not comparing, we are searching. Comparison wise we can use. We are searching for the substring. So we should not use equals ignore case. Okay, now the question, think. Is Hari available? Now as a programmer, your task completed. As a programmer, your task completed. But as a customer point of view, client point of view, end user point of view, you please pay attention and tell, is Hari available? Array, capital HARI available. How dare you to say small HARI available? It's a confusion, right? So customer will feel, array, what nonsense are you talking? Run this program again. Java, capital H, RI, Krishna. Then still you are displaying message, Hari is available. Hey, I am giving what Hari available you are telling. Ante I change it to all lower cases, or I'm comparing with lower case. You compare with any case, none of my business. In which case I am giving, that case you should say available or not. Then in that case, what you need to do? You must take two separate strings. String s2 equal to, I hope all you people know, string is immutable. When you call two lowercase method, it will not modify characters case in s1 pointing object. New separate object is there. Now here we have two string object. First string object contains original characters, Java, Hari. Okay. Now lowercase character contain all characters lowercase, Java, Hari. Okay. Then s1 pointing to it, s2 pointing to it. Now in the contains operation, searching operation, what should I use? S2 I must use. Okay, S2 I must use. S2 dot contains of Hari. Yes, available. If he available, then I should display Hari here. In what case Hari I should display? I should display in the case that is available in the existing original string. From S2, sorry, from S1 retrieve Hari. From S1 retrieve Hari and display here. And tell me, you want to retrieve part of the string. You want to retrieve part of the string, substring. So what I should use here? I have to use substring method. So here I should use a contains method and I should use substring method. 1 second. How to use substring method? S1 dot substring of. Substring method contains two arguments required. Substring required two arguments. Now tell me, start comma end. So now the Hari started at what index? If I know start index, I can find the end index. All are catching my point? If you know start index, you can find the end index. But what is the start index? How can I find? Now, all you people know int start equal to s2 dot. What the method to find index of? Index of double quotes Hari. Where Hari started, you need to find out. Okay, after finding that, then what I need to write here? Int end index I have to find. How can I find? Start plus, and tell me how many total number of characters you want? Hari. Hari is a totally how many characters? 4. You write 4 here. Start to 4. And now let us count correctly coming or not. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now tell me index of Hari. Where you are getting index number? From S2. From S2, go to S2, find Hari index. Hari index is this. What is the Hari index? Tell me. Lowercase characters or uppercase characters index number will be same, na? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What you are getting now? 4. Start value is 4. Then next. Now 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. End value 8. How many characters you want to retrieve? 4 characters. Now look at there. 4 from 4. HARI. Now tell me, you are passing 8 means end index is 8 minus 1 up to 7. So tell me, your all 4 characters are coming or not? Understand the algorithm? Understand the algorithm? Right? Now I have start index, I have end index. Now I am passing the start and end index to substring method. Substring method, I should call on S2 data, S1 data. Searching is on S2, retrieving is on S1. Tell me, S2 index number, S1 index number, both are same. Okay, now it will return string. You take into another string called S3. Now display S3 here. Hari, place you write S3. Shall I write the code? All people understand algorithm? Shall I write code? Now, if string is available, then what I write? Int start equal to S2 dot index of, if available, retrieve the index of double quotes Hari, and then find int end equal to start plus 4 characters are there, 4, and then now retrieve string Hari equal to, okay, string Hari equal to, bolo what happened now? Yes1 dot substring of, what I should write? Start comma end. And then now display that Hari, where? Inside or outside? Can I take variable name is Hari? I can take variable name Hari. Then what is displaying? Variable name displayed, variable inside characters displayed. Variable inside characters are displayed. Yeah. If a string is not available, then will you display Hari as a variable? You display in uppercase or lowercase or mixed case, doesn't matter, right? It's not available now, so you display in any case. No need of any dynamic logic here. Control F11. So enter string. I'm giving Java, Hari, Krishna. Look at there, Hari is available. This Hari is a variable name Hariya. This name as it is displayed Hariya, or retrieved Hari displayed. Retrieved characters Hari displayed. Variable name is not displayed. Okay. Next. Now running this program again by giving Java, Hari, Krishna. Now look at there, you're getting. What happened? Hari is not available. Come. I should write S2 now. Java, Hari, Krishna. Look at there. Hari is available. Display. Okay. Then control F11. Now what you write here? Java, Hari, Krishna. You are getting Hari. Array, sorry, every time you are writing there only, can I change place? Change above. Hari, Java, Krishna. You can write anywhere. We are retrieving this substring dynamically. Right? We are retrieving the substring dynamically. We are getting Hari is available. We are retrieving the substring dynamically. Wherever you write, Hari will come. First occurrence of Hari will return. If you write multiple Haris, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay? If you read these many times Rama Rama, Hare Hare, then what happened? First Hari will come. First occurrence. Index of method always return first occurrence. Na? Look at that. This Hari will come. You want last Hari, then you must use last index of. I hope you understand. Nowadays, in the written test exam, people are asking to write the programs like this. Okay, they wanted to know whether you have a programming idea of developing if else condition based programs, loop based programs by using, okay, so by using string class methods combination like this program they are checking. Generally, you are all people are practicing with SOP and what is the output, what is the output, what is the output. All people are passing written test exam. Written test exam easily passing. But later, after passing written test exam, in company, you don't write SOP statements, right? In company, you have to write the statements like this: if else conditions, variables, okay, operators, combination, you are going to write. So once you enter into company after passing the written test exam, when team lead, team manager giving the programs like this, then you are looking at him, chichi, I never practice like that. I am the best practice person of SOPL only. I never try the programs like this. Chichi, I never practice the projects like this. I am a best copy paste person from SOPL and statements only. You ask me what is the output, I will tell. If you ask me to write a program, chichi, I never write. And even I never tried also. Tumri fellows, every method, on every method, you should try one real-time test case program, real-time use case program, project-based use case program. Is it clear? Yesterday I given you almost 13 projects I have given, 13 test case programs I have given. I don't know how many of you have completed, how many of you developed. So if you are time passing, okay, no problem. You'll be interviewer also will time pass with you. Interview will time pass with you. If you practice, then you can play with the interviewer. Okay, now take these programs. So today, on today methods, test case programs. Page 15, I mean project number 15. Write a program to take file name as an argument. If it is a text file, print file is text file, else print it is not text file. Today methods. Which method I have to use in this program development? IO streamer. Ray. IO stream enter ni bonda. File name read cheyadanga IO stream enter. Ray. Where did you put your brain, Rabo? Write a program to take a file name as argument. If it is a text file, print file name file is text file, else print file is not a text file. Which method I must use? Substring method. Arabuji, substring method. Ends with method, Rabbi. Ends with method you must use here. Now if the file name is nothing but string, ends with .txt, it's a text file. If not, it's not a text file. Ends with method you must use. Okay, same program with multiple files. Write a program to take file, array of files. Write a program to take array of file names as an argument. Are you understanding what the meaning of argument? You should create a class with a parameterized method. String here only one file, so string parameter. Here multiple files means string array. Array of file names as an argument. Return an array only with the text files. For example, now I am taking the array like this: a.txt, b.doc, 1.txt, 2.pf, 3.x, 4.xl. Now this file, this array, I am passing as an argument to you. You return one new array with only text file names: a.txt, 1.txt, 3.txt. Okay, so that means parameter is what? Array. Return type also array. Return type is also array. Which method you have to use here to find whether it ends with or not starts with? Abhijit, here also you must use ends with only. Retrieve the first file name. Check ends with txt. Copy into new array. Okay, now retrieve the second file name. Retrieve the second file name. Compare ends with txt. No, don't copy. 1.txt, yes, copy into new array like this. So we have to use a for loop, retrieve the one file, check and copy. Can I use enhanced for loop here? Yes. You are not retrieving on string, you are working on string array. On string array, how you can use enhanced for loop. Okay. And then next projects, copy. Are you taking screenshot? Are you taking screenshot? Now next two projects. Write a method to take string object as argument. In this method, print length of the string. Also print every character available in the string. Print every character available in this string object with that character index. With that character index. For example, Java programming language. Output number of characters 25. Character 1 with index number. Character 1 J 2 A 3 V. Actually, index number will be start with 0, but end user point of view 0 is meaningless, na? End user point of view 0 is meaningless. So you must take 1 2 3 like this, dot 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 like that. Take it out, take screenshot. Next, rewrite above program to find number of occurrences of a character A and print all its positions. Okay, number of occurrences. Now I'm giving a character A. This character A found how many occurrences and in which indexes they are available, that you need to print. For example, Java programming language, how many occurrences are available? 1 2 3 4 5. It is available in 5 occurrences. Then you need to display it is available in what are the index positions. Available in 0 1 index, 3 index, 10 index, 18 index, 21 index. You have to display. So if you want to develop this program, you need to use string handling and collection combination. You must use string handling and collection combination. Okay. String handling and collection combination you have to use. Why collection required? You please think, you will understand. Next. Rewrite above program to print each character information, that is. Okay. Rewrite above program to print each character information, that is. Is it a digit or a letter or a special character or a white space? If it is a letter, print its case, uppercase, lowercase. Sample input, Java 1, 2, 3. Output, character J is a alphabet in uppercase. Character at the rate is a special character. Character V is a alphabet. Alphabet a letter. Okay, in my childhood, I used to call it as alphabet. It's a letter, na? J is a letter, uppercase, special character. Letter in lowercase is a space, which is special character. Okay, 1 is a digit. Like that, you need to display. Is it clear? In order to develop this program, you need to work with string handling, string class methods, and also character class methods. You want to know this character is a letter or not. If you want to write a program manually, okay. So if you want to write a program manually, you can develop by using ASCII numbers, ASCII number range. If it is a 65 to, okay, end ASCII number of lowercase, if you know, you can write, okay, between, or If you want to use a character class predefined method, you can use the methods easy letter, easy digit, okay, ease upper, easy lower, like that methods are there. You can use. Clear? Some intelligent person is telling that, Ananta, sir, P10 and P19 both are same na sir. Why you are giving 2 times? P10 and P19 both are same, bhaiya. What is P10? Rewrite above program to print Hari is available and given string is Hari is any case. P10 program is this na? Okay, don't waste time. Now P20. And tell me, why I have given this program? You know, right? Password. Password must have one uppercase letter. Password must have one lowercase letter. Password should have one special character. Password should have one digit. That is a constraint, a password constraint. Now, project number 20. Read password from the keyboard. See, read password from the keyboard. Check whether its length is between 8 to 16 or not. Check whether it contains one special character, one digit, one uppercase letter or not. Else print error message. First, for a first checkpoint, password length. Second checkpoint, password should contain this. Clue, you must use 2 classes, string class and character class. Taking screenshots, huh? Are you taking screenshots? Okay, if you're not taking screenshot, at least after class, go to YouTube. Now, already video is there. From the video also you can copy. Okay, project number 21, already you developed. Develop a project to read string from the keyboard. Find out whether the string has a substring Hari or not. If available, display the character Hari in the case available in the substring. Just now you have developed this code. Project number 21. Okay. So up to substring method, whatever you have developed, everything I have shown you. Clear my point? If you want any of these yesterday, today class discussion, you can go and watch YouTube. You can go and watch YouTube. In YouTube already there. Okay, in YouTube already yesterday video there and today video also there. Go and watch yesterday, today video from YouTube. You will find out. Okay, string handling session 8, session 7, session 6 you can go. Go to nareshit.com or else you can type here string handling by Hare Krishna. String handling by Hare Krishna. Okay, so playlist you can type here, playlist. Playlist maybe it's not at tagged it. Okay, so you can go for directly string handling. You can type here session 7. Today is session 6, 8, session 7 by Hare Krishna. Okay, yesterday is session 7. Session 7, click on it. Go to go to last. Okay, here you have all the programs. Go to at end. Okay, this is the file already yesterday shown you. Any of you want, you can go and search. Clear? And today's session also will be there on YouTube. You can collect these all programs from there. And tomorrow we'll continue with new methods and new programs, new projects. Okay, so when you developing the project, you will get definitely some doubts. Go to YouTube, go to our Facebook group. Array, there is no predefined methods. All the tasks I have given you, you only should write the code. There is no predefined method. Go to our Facebook page, Facebook group. Array, where is that? Go to groups, Java by Hari Krishna group. So this is our Facebook group, Java by Hari Krishna. I am sharing the link. All people are old students, but still you are asking for the group link. Okay, so here you have, you can go and you can start writing. Okay, already string handling playlist I have shared here, and you can go and ask your questions. If you are unable to write the code, and you can ask the question here, your seniors will help you. Already assignments are developed. Wonderful. Okay, Devashish already developed the assignments. Happily you can go and check. Okay. If you are sharing this type of videos, I will block you from the group. Vicky Kumar, are you a part of this batch or some other batch? Don't share unnecessary videos. People are irritating. Share some useful videos, okay? Okay, fine. See you tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow we'll continue some more interesting points. No pending request, all are accepted. Thank you. Any doubts in today class? Yeah, Vijit will discuss that. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.